When it comes to improving your home, upgrading your windows can make a significant difference in appearance, comfort, and energy efficiency. However, the quality of your window installation is just as important as the windows you choose. In Clearwater, where weather conditions can range from hot and humid to stormy, professional window installation is a smart choice for homeowners. Here are the top benefits of hiring professionals for your window installation project. Expert knowledge and precision. One of the standout advantages of professional window installation in Clearwater is the expertise and precision that trained installers bring to the job. Professional installers have extensive experience working with all types of windows, including energy-efficient models, hurricane-resistant windows, and custom designs. They know how to measure, fit, and secure windows accurately, ensuring they function perfectly from day one. Improperly installed windows can result in gaps, leaks, and poor performance, leaving your home vulnerable to air infiltration, water damage, and reduced energy efficiency. With professionals on the job, you can trust that your windows will be installed with exacting standards to ensure maximum durability and performance. Energy efficiency and comfort. For Clearwater homeowners, energy efficiency is a key priority, especially in Florida's hot and humid climate. Professionally installed windows help create a tight seal that prevents air leaks and keeps your home's indoor temperature consistent. This not only improves comfort but also reduces the strain on your HVAC system, leading to lower energy bills over time. Modern energy-efficient windows are designed to reduce heat transfer and block harmful UV rays. Professional installers ensure that these features work as intended by properly sealing and positioning the windows. The result? A cooler, more energy-efficient home and protection for your furniture and flooring from sun damage. Protection against Florida's weather. Living in Clearwater means dealing with unpredictable weather, including heavy rains, intense heat, and the occasional hurricane. Professional window installation ensures your windows can withstand Florida's harsh climate conditions. Installers use high-quality materials, techniques, and tools to ensure the windows are properly sealed and secured, reducing the risk of leaks, cracks, or storm damage. Hurricane-resistant windows, in particular, require specialized installation to provide maximum protection. Professional installers have the knowledge and experience to handle these windows effectively, ensuring your home stays safe during extreme weather events. Time and effort saving. Window installation is a time-consuming and physically demanding task, especially if you're unfamiliar with the process. Attempting to install windows yourself can lead to mistakes that could cost you more in repairs or replacements down the line. By hiring professionals, you save time, effort, and potential headaches. Professional installers handle everything from start to finish, including removing old windows, preparing the frames, installing new windows, and cleaning up afterward. They work efficiently to minimize disruption to your daily routine, so you can sit back and enjoy the results without the stress. Increased home value and warranty protection. New, professionally installed windows can significantly increase your home's value and curb appeal, making it more attractive to potential buyers. Whether you're planning to sell your home soon or simply want to invest in its long-term value, professionally installed windows are a smart upgrade. Additionally, most window manufacturers require professional installation for their warranties to remain valid. By hiring certified installers in Clearwater, you ensure that your windows are covered in case of defects or performance issues. This added protection gives you peace of mind and guarantees a high-quality result. Conclusion: when it comes to window installation in Clearwater, professional services offer unmatched benefits, from expert craftsmanship and energy efficiency to enhanced safety and weather protection. While DIY projects may seem appealing, the risks and challenges far outweigh any potential savings. By trusting professionals with your window installation, you're investing in your home's performance, comfort, and long-term value. Whether you're upgrading for energy savings, storm resistance, or aesthetic appeal, professional window installation is the key to a successful and stress-free project.